Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi Marie, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this look right here. But before we get into that, I just wanted to say thank you for helping me hit that 1K. I really appreciate it. Trust me, I do. I lost a lot of subscribers before, and then I gained some and I lost some, and it was just like this whole roller coaster with my subscribers. I could have been hit the 1K a long time ago, but you know, unfortunately it wasn't like that. But now I hit it and I'm grateful, and for that I'm gonna have a giveaway, and I'm gonna be doing a separate video on that, so stay tuned. I hope all of y'all join it, you know, win some free stuff, because I know like black people like free stuff. So because I'm one of them, I like free stuff. But continue subscribing, continue sharing my videos, continue giving them thumbs up. And yeah, we just gonna move on to the video now. You know you my darling, even though I be working, baby, I can't see you. Alright y'all, so I did my eyebrows off camera as usual, and now we're gonna get into this eye. Right now I'm priming my lids with some LA Color, no I lied, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. And I'm just adding that on my lids. Then I'm gonna go with a blending brush. I'm just gonna blend that oil in. Alright, so that's all done now. We're about to get into shadows. So I'm going in with this palette, and I'm just gonna add in them shades that I showed y'all. But then I ended up adding in 2 extra shades, just like that dark chocolate shade and that white shade, because I know I wanted to go with a soft, cute beat. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're getting that color on that lids. So I was looking at my eye and I realized that the brown shade wasn't showing up anymore. So I'm like, let me add a little bit more just to make it like show, because I don't know, to me it wasn't showing at all. I would just feel like I was seeing the white more. So that's how I went back in with that dark brown. Alright y'all, so we're gonna get to the face, but y'all go see what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be going in with some witch hazel and some alcohol. I put them in these little drops because you know I had to travel with them. I didn't want to bring the big one, but I'm going in with some alcohol. Then I'm gonna clean my face with that, and then after I'm gonna go in with some witch hazel, And I'm going to do the same thing I did with the alcohol. Alright, so we got the first step covered. Let me put a check, complete. Now I'm about to go in with some cream that I put on this dry spot on my face, which is like that dry dark spot. I don't know if I ever spoke about it with y'all, but yeah, it comes and goes. Like sometimes it'll be like light and then it'll just get dark if I don't put no moisturizing thing there. But yeah, that's the lotion I'm going in with, and I'm just putting it there. Okay. Now I'm going in with that Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer, and I'm gonna just add that to my face, cause you know, like I wanna glow, and y'all know I like this. I need to get me another one, to be honest, a bigger bottle at that. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with some mascara, cause you know I need to do my bottom lashes, and I'm gonna have to put some mascara on the top ones, cause you know I had these lashes on for like 3 days now. They not coming off, so yeah. All right, now so I'm gonna add some like a little highlight on top of my brow bowl, and I'll put some in between my teardrop. That's what it's called. I don't remember what it's called, but I'm gonna put some there. All right, now so I'm going in with some setting spray because I end up leaving my my rose water at home, so I'm going in with some setting spray, and now I'm just going in with some little highlight. I'm gonna just put that on my face. As you can see, I didn't put no foundation on because this is not what we're doing. No, it's too hot for that shit. And now I'm going in with some lip gloss. Y'all need to tell LA Colors I need to get sponsored for these glosses. But yeah, that's what I'm going with, my favorite gloss. And basically this is like the finishing look kinda, but y'all gonna see the real finishing look, okay? Alright guys, you know I had to throw my wig on because you know I want to look grown or whatever. But this is the finishing look. I hope you enjoyed this little quick, easy video, and I hope to see you in my next video.